Have you ever pondered the significance of aircraft cleaning, particularly in a world where pandemics are a reality? It's a topic that's often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and comfort of passengers and crew alike. Welcome to the aircraft cleaning course offered by CanSky Aviation Company, a course that digs deep into the art and science of keeping aircraft spick and span. This course is an eye-opener for grooming crews and their management teams, providing them with the necessary knowledge of industry requirements and best practices for efficient aircraft grooming, with a special focus on pandemic control and safety protocols. At the heart of this course are several key objectives. First, we aim to provide the most current and relevant standards and requirements for aircraft grooming. We also aim to ensure a thorough transfer of knowledge to grooming crews, enabling them to deploy best practices in their work. Lastly, we work to enable aircraft owners and operators to have full confidence that their grooming staff are in compliance with industry regulations. The course covers a range of important topics, including the critical role of aircraft grooming in a pandemic world, regulatory grooming standards, staff safety, and the tools and workflows for grooming aircraft of different sizes and complexities. This course is designed for aircraft grooming team members, their service provider supervisory team, and aircraft owners. It's a comprehensive exploration of the field delivered over 2 days. The aircraft cleaning course is more than just a learning experience. It's a stepping stone towards a safer, more efficient aviation industry. So, don't wait. Enroll in the aircraft cleaning course today and take your first step towards becoming an integral part of the aviation industry's safety and cleanliness standards. Your journey towards mastering the art of aircraft cleaning starts here.